Welcome to Red Sky University. In today's video, we're going to review the typical meeting flow of a client project. When a client signs a work order with Red Sky, a design kickoff meeting will be scheduled. These meetings usually run on the longer side, anywhere from 1 hour or more, and serve multiple purposes. We meet stakeholders of the project, we introduce key figures for project management, design, and development, and we'll go over basic project requirements, which should answer questions like, are we building an app or website? And what are the core functionalities? During this meeting, it's important to take notes, especially on pain points or goals for users. Usually, an open channel of communication is recommended during the design phase, where a point of contact is established that will be in charge of design decisions and who you will work with on a daily basis to get designs completed and approved. This may be one of the stakeholders themselves or someone on the client's team. The project manager will set up recurring meeting times for stand-ups, sprint plannings, and demos. On a daily basis, we have stand-up meetings with the client. These are short meetings that usually don't go longer than 15 minutes. During these meetings, designers and developers report on progress they made the day before, what you plan on doing today, and any blockers you need solved to continue working. You can present your designs through prototype mode or design mode in Figma. If you need additional meetings with the client to extract business requirements or gather more in-depth feedback, you can schedule a meeting during stand-up. As designs meet major milestones, like completing a user flow tied to a core functionality of the project, you'll need to receive design approval from the stakeholders before development items can be tasked out and selected for development. This is where a design approval meeting comes along. These meetings are long, ranging from an hour or more, and there can be several of them throughout the design phase depending on the scope of the project. In this meeting, you will present the designs and drive the stakeholders through each of the completed user flows. This is a time for stakeholders to make their final tweaks before designs are frozen for MVP and developers begin working. Preparation for this meeting is key. Make sure you run through your prototype several times and that you're showing core functionalities. Once designs are approved, sprint planning meetings and demos will start to kick off. Both of these meetings are more developer-oriented. In sprint planning meetings, the project manager works with the client to determine what development tasks are a priority for the next sprint, which lasts 2 weeks. Demos happen at the end of a sprint and are an opportunity for developers to showcase their progress on their completed sprint. In demos, you get to see your designs brought to life. It's a good idea to attend demos and make note of any components or functionalities that don't align with the designs. Depending on how many projects you're working on at the same time, it can be tricky to keep track of all your meetings. That's why it's handy to keep tabs on your calendar so you don't miss any. Good luck and thanks for watching.